What if I told you there's a secret formula for achieving mastery in any field? Imagine having a blueprint that could guide you to become an expert in whatever you choose, whether it's music, sports, or even coding. A magic number that unlocks extraordinary abilities. This number isn't just a random figure. It's backed by research and countless success stories, a key to transforming from novice to expert. Picture yourself holding this key, ready to open the door to a world of mastery and excellence. Would you be surprised to learn that this secret isn't so secret after all? In fact, it's been discussed and debated by scholars, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. This is the intriguing premise behind the 10,000-hour rule, a concept popularized in my book, Outliers: The Story of Success. The idea is simple yet profound. To achieve greatness, you need to invest a significant amount of time and effort. It suggests that achieving world-class expertise in any skill, be it playing the violin or writing code, requires an extensive amount of dedicated practice, approximately 10,000 hours to be precise. This isn't just about mindless repetition, it's about deliberate, focused practice aimed at continuous improvement. So the next time you see someone excelling in their field, remember that behind their success lies a journey of countless hours of hard work and dedication. The 10,000-hour rule serves as a reminder that mastery is not an overnight phenomenon, but a result of persistent effort and unwavering commitment. The 10,000-hour rule isn't about a rigid number dictating destiny. It's a concept that emphasizes the importance of time and effort in achieving mastery. It's about understanding the profound impact of deliberate practice. This means not just any practice, but focused, goal-oriented practice that challenges you to improve. It's about recognizing that mastery is a process, a journey of consistent effort and focused improvement. Each session of practice builds on the last, creating a cumulative effect that propels you forward. While natural talent undoubtedly plays a role, it's the hours poured into honing a skill that truly elevate individuals to the top of their game. Talent might give you a head start, but it's the dedication and hard work that sustain your progress. Think of it like climbing a mountain. Each step, each hour of practice brings you closer to the peak. The journey is long and often arduous, but every bit of effort counts. Every hour of practice is a step towards the summit. It's not just about the quantity of hours, but the quality of those hours. Are you pushing your limits? Are you learning from your mistakes? The higher you climb, the more breathtaking the view. The sense of accomplishment and the perspective you gain are unparalleled. It's a testament to your hard work and perseverance. The 10,000-hour rule serves as a powerful reminder that greatness isn't stumbled upon. It's earned through dedication and perseverance. It's a journey of growth, learning, and relentless pursuit of excellence. So whether you're an athlete, an artist, or an entrepreneur, remember that every hour you invest in your craft brings you one step closer to mastery. Mastering a skill isn't simply about clocking in hours. It's about approaching practice with intention. It's about breaking down complex skills into smaller, manageable steps. It's about embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. It's about understanding that every expert was once a beginner, fumbling their way through the initial stages of learning. This journey towards mastery can be broken down into several key steps, each building upon the last. By following these steps, you can not only accelerate your learning, but also make the process more enjoyable and rewarding. The first step on your journey to mastery is identifying your passion. What is it that ignites your curiosity and fuels your desire to learn? What skill, if mastered, would bring you immense satisfaction and fulfillment? Once you've identified your passion, it's crucial to define your goals clearly. What does mastery in this skill look like to you? What specific milestones do you want to achieve along the way? Having a clear vision of your destination will provide direction and motivation as you embark on your journey. Section 5, Step 2, Dive deep, embrace focused practice. Simply going through the motions won't cut it. Mastery demands deliberate, focused practice. This means dedicating your full attention to the task at hand, identifying areas for improvement, and actively seeking ways to refine your technique. Imagine a musician practicing scales. They're not just playing notes, They're focusing on their intonation, their timing, their dynamics. They're breaking down the elements of music and honing their skills with laser-like precision. This is the essence of deliberate practice. Section 6. Step 3. Feedback is your friend, seek it out. No one achieves mastery in isolation. Seeking feedback from mentors, coaches, or peers is essential for identifying blind spots and accelerating your progress. Feedback provides valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to course correct and refine your approach. Think of it as having a GPS for your skill development. Feedback helps you navigate the path to mastery, ensuring you're heading in the right direction and making the most of your efforts. Section 7. Step 4. Rest, recharge, and repeat. Mastering a skill is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires consistency and persistence over an extended period. However, it's equally important to incorporate rest and recovery into your practice routine. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to burnout and hinder your progress. Take breaks, recharge your batteries, and return to your practice with renewed focus and energy. Remember, mastery is about sustainable growth, not overnight transformation. Section 8. Accelerating your path to mastery, shortcuts, and strategies. While there's no substitute for dedicated practice, certain strategies can help you learn more effectively and efficiently. One such strategy is chunking, which involves breaking down complex skills into smaller, more manageable chunks. By mastering these individual chunks and then piecing them together, you can accelerate your overall learning process. Another powerful strategy is spaced repetition, which involves revisiting previously learned material at increasing intervals. This helps to solidify memories and improve long-term retention. Section 9. They did it, and so can you. Stories of accelerated mastery. The world is filled with individuals who have achieved mastery in their respective fields at a remarkably fast pace. Take, for instance, the legendary chess prodigy Bobby Fischer, who achieved the title of Grandmaster at the age of 15, or the renowned violinist Yehudi Menuhin, who made his orchestral debut at the tender age of 7. These individuals serve as powerful reminders that with unwavering dedication, focused practice, and the right strategies, the path to mastery can be traversed with remarkable speed. Section 10. Your journey starts now. Take the first step. Every great journey begins with a single step, a moment of decision, a commitment to move forward. The 10,000-hour rule is not a rigid formula, but a powerful reminder that mastery is within reach for anyone willing to put in the time and effort. It's about dedicating yourself to the craft, showing up day after day, and embracing the process of gradual improvement. It's about embracing the journey of continuous learning, of pushing beyond limitations, and of finding joy in the small victories along the way. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to grow, to become stronger, and to inch closer to your goals, and of discovering the immense potential that lies dormant within each of us. This journey is not just about reaching the destination, but about the transformation that occurs within you as you strive towards it. So what are you waiting for? The first step might seem daunting, but it's the most crucial one. It sets the tone for everything that follows. The path to mastery awaits. It's a path filled with challenges, but also with incredible rewards. Each step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Take that first step today and embark on your own extraordinary journey of skill development and personal growth. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who decided to take that first step. The world is filled with possibilities. It's a canvas waiting for your unique touch. All you have to do is reach out and seize them. Opportunities are everywhere, waiting for those who are brave enough to take the first step.